So let me take the first example. 26 multiplied by minus 48 plus minus 48 multiplied by minus 36. Now, when we see this example, what we observe that there are two types of operations. There is multiplication and there is also addition. There are two types of operations. Whenever we see two types of operation, think about distributive property. Now, what you need to find is, do you see a common number in both these multiplications? So first multiplication is 26 into minus 48. And the second multiplication is minus 48 into minus 36. Now we see that minus 48 is common between them. And hence, using distributive property, we will take the common out. So I'll put minus 48 common as out. And then I'll multiply, and in bracket, I will put from this side multiplication 26 into minus 48. Minus 48 is come out. So what is remaining? 26. So the 26 stays here. I'll keep sign plus. No sign for 26 means it is plus sign. I'll keep the plus sign. Then while moving to the next multiplication, in between we get a plus sign. So that plus sign stays here. Plus, in these two multipliers, minus 48 has come out as a common. So remaining is minus 36. So plus minus 36. So this is what we have used is, we have used distributive property. And what we have used is the second representation of the distributive property, where we are taking out the common. Okay. Now this we solve. Minus 48 stays as it is. In multiplication, we solve the bracket first. It is plus 26 plus minus resultant sign, because they are different signs, resultant sign is minus. So plus 26 minus 36. Now 48 remains as it is. Inside bracket, plus 26 minus 36. It is a different signs, means subtraction. So subtraction, we'll do it in the rough area. 36 minus 26 is equal to 10. So 10, we bring it back here. And what is the sign of this answer? Sign will be sign of the greater number. Between 26, 36, 36 is a greater number and its sign is minus. So we'll use minus 10 here. Now multiplication, one was negative number, second also negative number. First we'll multiply the weights. 48 into 10 gives us 480. Two negative numbers, even number of negative numbers gives the answer sign as plus. 480 is the answer. Minus 17 into minus 29. Now, when you have asked to solve this product using a suitable property, do not directly multiply 29 and 17. Use the suitable property. Now, which property we need to use? We need to use the distributive property. Now, how I understand that this is a distributive property? Because minus 29, I can convert it into a different number. How? I'll keep minus 17 as it is, multiplied by, instead of minus 29, I will write minus 30 plus 1. Is minus 30 plus 1 equal to minus 29? Yes, it is. And by doing this, now I can use the distributive property. So this is A and this is B plus C. So A into B. So minus 17 multiplied by minus 30. And then while going to the next number, which is a sign in between, plus. So plus remains here. Minus 17 multiplied by 1. Now solving this, 17 into 30. 17 into 30, 17 3s are 51, so 510. Now two negative numbers, even number of negative numbers gives answer as positive, plus 510. Plus here remains as it is, minus 17 into 1. What is the sum of their weights, 17 into 1 is 17. Only one negative number here. So odd number of negative numbers gives answer as minus 17. Now plus 5, 1, 0, and this plus minus successive signs are different signs, so resultant sign is negative, minus 17. Now again plus minus different signs means subtraction. So we'll do subtraction in rough area, not in main area. So 510 subtracted by 17 gives me 493. So answer is 493. Now answer has to get sign of the greater number. Greater number here is 510 and its sign is plus. So the answer is plus 493. Now it is very important here to spot this, where minus 29 can be represented as minus 30 into 1. And because the moment we get minus 30, multiplying minus 30 with 17 becomes very easy, because it is just 17 threes are and then 1 0. So that is what is very important, to see which number will make my calculations easy. Let's take one more example. Minus 41 into 102. Now in this case, multiplying by 102 is difficult, but can I convert 102 into 100 plus 2? Yes, I can. So we'll do 41 into 100 plus 2. And now I'll use using distributive property minus 41 into 100. So minus 41 into 100 here. Now I have to go to next number, but while going next number, I get a plus sign in between. So I'll write that plus sign, and then I will do minus 41 into 2. Okay. So now solving them, minus 41 into 100 is 41 into 100 is 4100, and sign is minus because there are odd number of negative numbers here. Plus minus 41 into 2, 41 twos are 82. And again, only single negative number gives minus sign to this. So now rationalizing the signs, plus minus different signs result into minus 82. Minus 4100 minus 82. Both signs are minus. Same sign always result into addition. So the addition is 4182. And this gets the sign of greater number. Greater number is 4100. Its sign is minus. So answer is minus. So the answer to this is minus 4182. Let's solve one more. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. I observe that this sum has two operations, a multiplication and an addition. Whenever I see two operations, I should think about distributive property, but the second representation of the distributive property. So I need to find a common between them. Now minus 57 and plus 57. I see 57 as common, but here it's minus 57. So I am able to change this 57 as minus 57 into minus 19 plus in bracket minus 57 into minus 1. Plus 57 can be also represented as minus 57 into minus 1, because product of their weights is 57 into 1 is 57. Two minus signs result into plus. So plus 57. Now I can easily see that minus 57 is common. So I'll take minus 57 as common, and inside my bracket from this multiplication what is remaining is minus 19. While going to the next one, in between I get plus sign, so I'll write that plus sign here. And then from minus 57, what is remaining here? Minus 57 into minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1. So that is equal to minus 57, and inside the bracket minus 19 plus minus two successive signs which are different gets a resultant sign as minus 1, which is equal to minus 57 minus result into addition. So 19 plus 1 is 20, and the 20 comes with sign of greater integer, which is minus 19, and hence minus sign. So minus 57 multiplied by minus 20. Let's multiply the weights. 57 twos are 114 and 01140 is the answer of the weights multiplication. Signs, I see minus here, 2 minus signs means even number of minus signs result into plus. So answer is plus 114.